Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we have got a truck, and this one is a Ram 1500. The casting is by Hotwheels and it's from the Mainline. So this particular model is a Ram 1500 Rebel, and as there are different trims, so they're called different names like Rebel, Limited, Longhorn. So yeah, there are different names, different trim. This one is more like visually it's more like a sporty trim rather than being a luxury trim. So you don't get any chrome. If I'm not wrong, you don't get any chrome on the truck. It's all blacked out. So let's start the review. So first thing you will notice that the color is in red and black. It's a two-tone, so red body and black cladding and bumper. And if you're from North America, you might have seen one of these on the road, because Ram is like Ram and Ford are neck to neck, or maybe I think Ford is on number one when it comes to sale, and Ram is close second. So you do see like Ram truck, Ford trucks, that series, and you also see Chevy and GM. These are very common on the road. So up front you will notice that it has got some nice details, like that you've got detailed headlamp, you have detailed grille, the Ram badge. The only thing I don't know if it's with the one I have got or it's with the entire lot, but the sticker or the paint or tampons, whatever we call, are slightly off. It's not like on proper place. It should happen, like if you see the red part here, it should have been black here, so it's slightly on the upward side, and that's what messes up details a little bit. But it's not all bad. You can see the headlamp with the turn indicator, the projector, and the DRL, but because it's slightly off, so it looks a bit out of place if you look closely. If you're looking from a distance, you won't even notice. So apart from that, you can also see it has got skid plate, tow hook. Obviously it's just an indent or mark to show that there are tow hooks, no actual tow hooks there, and place for fog lamp. Also, if you look at the hood, you can see the vents here, and you can also see the windshield wipers. Now moving on to the driver's side, North American market, it's left and right. The very first thing you will notice again is the two-tone paint scheme, and that it's missing side view mirrors. I hate it when Hot Wheels does this. I don't know why they do this. Like, there are some mainline casting which come with mirrors. Why not just make them standard on all the casting? Well, and like if you have older casting, I understand in older time there were not mirrors on all the trucks or all the cars, but these days it's standard, so just give us standard mirrors on the castings too. Moving on, you can see it has got the door handles, not painted or anything, but if I'm not wrong, these are also black in the actual truck. Also, you can see the fuel filler cap here, again with the wheels. See, I do understand having these wheels on some of the trucks, especially the one with raised driving height, but again, a Rebel, it is like no chrome, and having a chrome wheel on this truck, well, again, it doesn't suit the truck. So I would have rather liked the wheels, like if you have seen the wheels on Defender, the Hot Wheels Defender, the black, or some of the Jeeps, I would have rather loved that one here. But then this is what we get. Well, there are guys who do the wheel swap, so if you're one of them and you have swapped the wheel on this Ram, shoot me a picture. I would love to see it. Also from the side, you can notice it has got a shark fin antenna on the roof. Tail lamps you can notice from the side, and the bumper coming in here. So moving to the back, you can see it has got nicely detailed tail lamp, big Ram badge on the tailgate, Rebel badge, 4x4. This is the handle to open the tailgate, and you can also see the twin exhaust here. Of course, they are not painted, or like they are there, so you can see them, but they're not painted. Also a small detail, I don't know if you can see it, but let me see. Yeah, it's hard to see, but I'm just telling you. So you have got a texture here on the top of the bumper. which is trying to mimic like the actual bumper, so that's a good thing. Moving on to the passenger side, almost identical. The only thing missing is the fuel filler cap here. Now if you look from the top, you can see it has got a big sunroof, or panoramic sunroof. Now I'm not sure if Rebel comes with a panoramic sunroof, but I can always check. Yeah, I should have checked, but I'm not sure. So if you know that it does come with a panoramic sunroof, do let me know. So that's for the outside, but this is not what I'll talk about most of the time. But the interior on this one did catch my eye, and there are a few reasons for that. First of all, if you've seen a Ram truck, you can clearly see that the steering wheel is pretty close to what an actual Ram truck will have. Also, the center console has the big vertical touchscreen system, which you might have seen on the new Ram, so that's very close to that too. And on the rear seat, you can see the place for the seat belts, like to hook your seat belts. So these are some nice touches which they are in the interior, which I don't see very often in Hot Wheels. So good job there, Hot Wheels. So now as an overall casting, I do like the truck. Don't get me wrong, I do like the truck, but I hate the wheels on this truck, and a slight off of this, like this detail slight off from this place did mess it up. But overall it's a nice casting, and if you're a fan of big pickup, you will love to add this to your collection, as I do. And I think Matchbox is has done a casting for Ram 1500 too. I haven't got one yet, but I'm trying to find one, and if I do, I will try to make a comparison video. So this is what we have got, and in my opinion, it's a nice casting, a nice addition to the collection. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.